Vintage Stereo Buff here. I'm going to do a resistive power test into this Lightning Audio Bolt 150. It's rated at 2 times 50 watts into 4 ohms, or 2 times 75 watts into 2 ohms. And with it bridged, it would be 100 watts into 8 ohms, or 150 watts and 1 times 150 watts. But I've got it hooked up in the bridged mode with the 8 ohm load, so I'm looking for 100 watts. I have my battery voltage here, which is just a little over 12, so my power readings won't be quite as high as they should be. And here's a 1% light, and here's the power, and this is a clipping light. So I gotta put amp on. I'll start. This is a dynamic test because I'm using a burst track. See my waveform? Now it's starting to clip just a little bit. So and the distortion light's popping on, so I'll back it down. I have to restart this track because it's kind of short. So you have to pay attention to catch it. See how it's distorted? Okay, I'll back it down until it's clean. Okay, that's clean. That's clean there. I better shift it to dyno mode. And I'll try it. So there I have 73 watts. See if I can get 75. Let's try to get 75. Okay, got 79 or 75 watts at 7.9 ohms. 75 watts at 7.9. Be 150 into 8. And clipping. Okay. Now, I'll take that disc out. Now I'm going to do a 40 hertz sine wave. $69 watts into 7.9 ohms. Okay, I got 70 watts at 7.9 ohms, and it's just starting to deform slightly at 1% distortion. Back it down just a little bit. Yep, 70 watts, 7.9 ohms at 12.32 volts input. So that's about 140 watts into 4 ohms if I calculate it. But this amp doesn't double its power ratings when you go down to 2 ohms. Anyway, that's what I have. I'll try stop this test, and I'll try a 1 kilohertz. Try 1 kilohertz track. Okay, I have to reset my meter. I'll do a 1 kilohertz track. Oh, I'm going to have to. Okay, now. $60. 70 watts at 7.8. 70 watts at 7.8 at 1,000 hertz. That's actually pretty good. Okay.